So today is November the 9th and it's snowing here in Michigan. Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, like I said, it is snowing here in Michigan, and I don't mean like some little bitty flurries. I mean it is some big old snowflakes coming down. They say we were going to get flurries, but we are getting a couple of inches here where I am, and I was a little bit taken aback and surprised. I know it's November. I know it's supposed to snow, but hello, I wasn't ready for it. What I am ready for is this huge Dollar Tree haul I have for you guys. And I know what you're saying. I know you're thinking, didn't you just do a huge Dollar Tree haul? But this time, I went to a store that is right near my house. The store that I always go to is like 5 minutes from where I live. If you're in the area, it's the Dixie Highway store in Waterford, Michigan. It's the one that's near the Kmart. It's set back from the road, so a lot of people don't even know it's there. I went there and they had all the stuff that I hauled at from the other stores not too long ago. And then they had all the stuff that I was looking for except for one item at this store. So I bought a lot again, because if you don't get it, it's going to be gone. And I have DIYs and stuff to do. So let's jump into it. So the very first thing that I ended up picking up that's not Christmas, considered Christmas anyway, and I think that's the only item, well, a couple other ones that is not Christmas, was this sign here. And I don't even know, with my pillows and stuff, I'll try to hold it in front of me so you guys can see it, because this is a lot of design going on back there. But it's one of the little signs that they have, and this one says, "Family, where life begins and love never ends." And I just thought it was really cute. I'm going to do a gallery wall going up my stairs, and I thought this would be perfect to go in there. And so I picked up one of those. They had a ton of new signs. I don't even know what all of them said. That's the only one that I ended up picking up. The other item that can be anytime, and I never saw these at our store before. They might have had them last year, but I didn't see them, so I didn't pick them up. Were the mirrored candle holder trays with the little feet on the back with silver around it. And I'm trying to hold it as an angle so I don't blind you guys with my light and stuff. But there's silver around the round one. They have the square one, and they also have the octagon one. I did not pick up that one. I never really ever pick up that one. But they also had them with gold around them, and I'm hoping you can see that it is gold. I only picked up these three because they are pretty damaged, a lot of them. So you really have to go through them, or maybe it was just my store. But they were in like the original packaging, and a lot of them were damaged. So I couldn't hardly find any that weren't perfect. So I only picked up 3 of them because I figured I can use them on top of like little candle holders and stuff to make like little cupcake like stands, or stands to hold things. So I picked up 3 of those. Then next, everything else I do believe, yep, is Christmas. So I went to the store just looking for 2 things actually. One of which I didn't find, which was the white panel sign that said "Let It Snow" across it, and like a little metal sign on it. And they did not have those out. There's a red one too that says like "Jingle All the Way." I could not find that in my store. They might have been all gone because everybody's been gobbling things up too. But I did find the other thing I was looking for, and that was the flock picks. I bought 2 more of the flock picks. I actually saw the box that had all the picks in it, and it was not open, and Chad was with me and he opened it for me, and we took out the only 2 flock ones, so they didn't even have any to put out in the one box. They probably had more than one box because they had like 900 boxes there, and their shelves were stuffed, so I didn't even know where they were going to put the stuff. But yeah, I'm really happy I ended up getting 2 of these. And I did notice on one of the other ones that I just recently hauled, because I bought 3 at that time, it was missing one of the pine cones. So I'll probably use that one for a different project. And so then I'll have 4 that are perfect. And I was really happy about that. Then I picked up a whole bunch of ornaments, again, that I'm not going to use as ornaments. I don't think any of these are going on my tree. I think all of them are going to be for DIY projects. I picked up one of the joy signs that has the little like pine and a little pine cones on it. I'm going to be using this for a DIY for sure. And then I picked up one of the little peace signs that has the same stuff on it. They also had the word love, but I didn't feel like that was exactly Christmassy for me, and I didn't have anything to do with that one. I'm not even sure if I'm going to use the peace one, but I really liked it, so I picked up that. Then next I picked up these ornaments. This one is a Christmas tree with a little bell on it. I really liked how it looked antique-y, and I might end up doing something with this one and giving it to my mom. I think she would like it. And I also picked up the star that they had like it too. The star has a red background, and the tree, as you saw, had green. And I don't know if I even really love the bells hanging by them, but it'd be nice to embellish something else with one of these. So I picked those two up. Then I ended up getting this little sleigh. I thought it was cute. It's galvanized like or whatever, and it has just a little bit of embellishment on it. I'm going to end up using this for a DIY, and I thought it was really cute. I only picked up one of them. I'm sure it will be fine with just that. Then next, technically this is not Christmas either, but I picked up one of the little cardinals because I plan on using that for a DIY that I have coming up. So I ended up getting one of those. They had a whole bunch of different little birds over where the wreaths and stuff were, not where the Christmas stuff. I mean, there was tons of them. There were birds, there were still butterflies and stuff like that. So if you're looking for any of that, it's all over there. They might even have some birds where the Christmas was, but I didn't see any at my store except for doves, and I didn't want white doves. And then next, I found the bottle brush trees. So I have a ton that go with my Christmas village stuff, but I didn't want to take them out of that. So I picked up two of them. One of the white ones, and then one of the regular green ones that are like snow covered. And I'm hopefully going to be using these in a upcoming DIY. Then next, I ended up picking up the white Christmas trees. I actually have to go back and get one more. I picked these up for me and my girlfriend Michelle to do a DIY with, and one of them, it was really damaged and messed up when I looked at it, so I've got to go back and get another one. But I picked up two of these. I couldn't even believe my store had these in too, because my store never gets in all the good stuff, and this time it looks like they got in everything except for that sign. And I didn't even ask to see if they had that sign. They probably had it, and that they're all gone. Then let me show you these. I went there also looking for just a plaque that I could paint over, like a sign they always have. So I picked up this one. I like it though. I think it's really nice. I like the shape of it. So I think I might paint over the back of it and do something with the back, and then keep this side this way so I can use it either direction. But these are really nice. I mean, they're not wood. They're like a, I don't know, cardboardy something. But the print is really nice on this one, so I picked up that one. And then I picked up this one, which I picked up because it says Merry Christmas, and it's got the little cardinal on it. I think this is a really nice sign, and it's done really well. I think you can do a lot of things with it if you don't want to just keep it plain like this. So I picked up this one. And then I picked up one more snowman thing, because you know I'm a sucker for snowmen. I ended up getting this little guy who is a snowman. They had these as snowman, and then they had Santa Claus ones in this too. They had these last year, and I picked up one last year for a project that I never got around to. And I ended up actually, I think I gave him away. So I picked up two more of these because I didn't know if my girlfriend wanted to do a project with one of these snowmen and not make the snowman and do something else with it. So I picked up two of those. Okay, so then next, the thing that I ended up getting that I was very surprised that my store even had was the brand new Christmas dishes. The ones with the holly leaves and holly berries on them. Our stores never get in those things. They never got in the snowflake ones. We never got in the cherries or the lemons over the summer. And we just recently, I mean like in the last couple of weeks, got the sunflower ones, maybe like 3 weeks, the sunflower ones. So I was very surprised when I walked in the door of the store and right in front of me was the dishes. So I picked up service for 2 in the full set. So I ended up getting 2 of the dinner plates. I really like that they are holly berries and not like Christmas trees or snowmen or anything like that, so you can use them all winter long. I ended up picking up 2 of the salad plates. Then I ended up getting 2 of the bowls. I think they're really quite cute with the berries in the bottom, though you put something in them, you're never going to see them if you go actually use them. And I picked up 2 of the coffee mugs. Now these say right on them that they're microwave and dishwasher safe, so I really like that. But I also picked up 2 of the drinking glasses and 2 of the goblet style glasses. And these don't say anywhere on them that they're dishwasher and microwave safe. They just say that this is 16 ounces. Wow, if you use this for a wine glass, that's a lot of wine, 16 ounces. But yeah, so I will probably hand wash these and then I could throw the other ones in the dishwasher. I basically picked these up so Chad and I could, you know, have like service for 2 during the holidays and stuff, for like even a special breakfast or brunch or anytime we want to eat. And I could set these up in our island in the kitchen, or we can actually set them up when we eat in the family room when we're watching a movie or whatever. May not use all of them then, but I thought they were really nice and I wanted to pick up a couple of them. So that's it for my Dollar Tree haul. It was kind of big, but I guess it really wasn't huge like the last one that I ended up doing. Let me know down below, what was your favorite thing that I picked up? I have to say, this time in all of the things that I showed you, it's probably the flock picks. I mean, I wanted that to be my favorite thing the last time, but that truck plate was really, really cute. If you didn't see that Dollar Tree haul, I picked up a lot of stuff on that. I will link that one down below so you can check it out. There is a little plate that has the red truck on it. It is adorable in that one. You don't want to miss it. But these are definitely my favorite thing, and I am so happy I found at least 2 more. You don't get this good a quality of picks like this for $1 anywhere. So run to your Dollar Tree if you're looking for these. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Take the time. Go ahead. Do it right now. I'll wait. And hit the little notification bell up at the top so you know when I'm doing an upload. I am involved in a couple of collabs that are coming up here. I have some independent DIYs that I'm going to be doing for you guys. And I still have my Thanksgiving table that I'm going to bring to you guys here shortly, along with a little tour of what my living room looks like this year for Thanksgiving kind of fall. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It is Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.